is the business proposal of Mindtech International. Today we are going to go through the 5 different types of plans which Mindtech is going to provide to you, which are going to start from 10,000 plus GST going up to 1 lakh plus GST. Okay, so we are going to go through all the 5 different plans together, out of which you can choose any of the plan according to your independent requirements. Okay, going further to plan number 1. Plan number 1 is for DMIT softwares. Under DMIT software, Mindtech is going to provide you with 4 different types of softwares: mini DMIT software, enterprise DMIT software, premium DMIT software, and premium plus DMIT software. There are 4 options under plan number 1, any 1, any 2, any 3, and all 4. For an example, you want to purchase all the 4 DMIT softwares together, then the original cost is 30,000, but under discounted rates at special prices, you can take the benefit of all 4 DMIT softwares at the cost of 14,000 plus GST, where you will be able to access all the softwares for lifetime accessibility. Okay, proceeding further on to midbrain activation, which is your plan number 2. Plan number 2, there are 2 options which you will be getting: logged and open. Okay, for an example, you want to take the benefit of midbrain activation at open version, then under original price you can take the benefit of it at the cost of 25,000 rupees, but under discounted rates at special price you can take the benefit of it at the cost of 14,000 plus GST. Okay, now we get a lot of entrepreneurs who has the requirement of purchasing DMIT software as well as midbrain activation softwares too. Now here, if they purchase both of these plan individually, then plan 1, which is for DMIT, will cost 14,000 plus GST. Again, plan 2, which is midbrain activation, will also cost 14,000 plus GST, which means you will have to invest 28,000 plus GST for total DMIT and midbrain. So that's wherein Mindtech International has created a combo offer, which is your plan number 3. Under this plan, you will be getting DMIT as well as midbrain all together at the cost of 17,500 plus GST. Along with that, Mindtech International has added several bundles of activities under after school activity such as Maths Fun, Vedic Maths, Abacus, handwriting and calligraphy, etc. So here, after providing the counselings to your clients, how can you efficiently improve the strengths of your clients over some elementary based activities? That's wherein we will be providing you with the after school activities, which will help you in creating the trust and the credibility of your business with your clients. Okay. Going to plan number 4. As an entrepreneur, when you start your journey, for expansion of your ventures, a lot of entrepreneur creates tie-ups under themselves and cater to schools, coachings and companies. So when you tie up with the schools, coachings and corporates, you will be able to get the bulk contract of counseling for 100, 200, 300, 500 individuals together. From there itself, you will be able to generate the revenue of 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 15 lakhs, 25 lakhs respectively by scaling your business under tie-up module. So here, how will you manage the operations of your business efficiently? Like when you tie up, you will have to take the fingerprint capturing, do the analysis, generate the report and counsel over onto those reports on time as well. By chance you have signed a contract with your tie-up, your commitment levels will be at a very high stake. If the services are not provided on time, business credibility will also be under the question. So that's why how to manage all of your operational areas of your business at a single place. That's wherein Mindtech International will be providing you with a business management panel. The individual cost of the panel is 15,000 plus GST. Now here we are having one last combo. Now we get entrepreneurs who ask for plan number 3, which is the combo of DMIT and Midbrain, along with the business management panel, wherein the approximate investment goes up to 32,000 plus GST. So here we have created a mega combo offer where you will not have to pay 32,000 plus GST. Just at the cost of 21,000 plus GST, you will be able to purchase the complete package for lifetime with no renewals, no royalties, and no other secondary charges. Plan number 5 in particular is a package which is going to include your special value add-on services. If your budget is approximately 1 lakh plus GST, and if you're looking for a package which will help you for your brand visibility and promotion, then here at Mindtech International, we will be offering you with a package which will include done for you services such as CRM panel, scanner with own branded scanning software, website, content marketing images and videos for 1 year, dynamic software customized for corporates. These are all the done for you services launched by Mindtech International, along with which you will be able to get a complimentary benefit of business coaching service, which is at the cost of 21,000 plus GST for 1 year validity. Now, business coaching services is one of our professional services wherein we make sure that within the time duration of 6 months, we develop you as an expert DMIT career counselor, and here you will be able to generate a revenue of 5 to 6 figures from the same platform. So these were all the business plans starting from plan number 1 to plan number 5. Now to take more knowledge on how to expand your businesses into corporate as well as education sectors and provide your expert professional career counseling, to understand the business scope in the market and how to generate the maximum revenue from your business platform, book your one-to-one slot right away and arrange a call with a business consultant for taking the complete guidance on proceeding with your business plans with the expert services of Mindtech International right away. Thank you so much, everyone.